had a very uneventful night. Didn't really sleep too much. Too worried about being stranded here with no car or anything, you know. But we're getting ready. Cody's very excited. You excited? I know, you feel better? Last night was rough, huh? I know. Yeah. So, I got a little bit of, not good news because it's not set in stone yet, but, so our Enterprise rental, you know, the Enterprise is going to come pick us up at 9 o'clock, so it's in like 15 minutes, and then, they're going to bring us, we're going to get our car, and then my Enterprise rep, who handles my personal Enterprise account, said that she doesn't think it's going to be a quick fix, you know, for my truck, so they are going to, she's looking to get me a new truck. So she said, you know, to let her know after I get my Enterprise rental car, and then she's going to tell me if I have to go back to Indiana to get that truck. And then I guess I'm going to have to drive it over here and, you know, swap my fifth wheel over and then pick that trailer up and then continue on. Which would be nice because I really don't think, it's going to be a quick fix either. The whole internal engine thing, I have a feeling they're really going to scrap that motor, like a couple of you said. Or it's going to be like a total like engine rebuild, and that's not going to take 2 or 3 days. I'd be out of the job probably for like weeks, knowing these Dodge dealerships. They do not rush for anybody. So, like I said, 9 o'clock they're going to pick us up, get our car. Once they do that, I'm going to touch base with my Enterprise rep, see if, with any luck, if she could find me something and take...
Or if we could at least head back to Elkhart, stay at the Red Roof, and then she has something for us tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, so my rep said that Enterprise will cover, they usually cover up to 2 nights. So this is 1 night. You know, these hotels are expensive, $70 a piece a night.
If you go to the Red Roof in Elkhart, we're only paying like
by 47, right.
So I'd rather pay that than, I mean, this is a nice hotel, but just expensive.
Yeah. But, so we're going to go back there. I hope everything works out really well. I mean, I'm not going to leave here until she tells me she has a truck because, I don't know, we'll just see. I just hope it works out, guys. So, we're going to get packed up here and get in our car, and I'll catch up with you guys once we do that. We fancy! Check out our ride! We're going back to van life, guys. Oh yeah, Toyota Sienna with eco mode and everything.
It was so quick.
I mean, I was in and out of there in like under a minute. I'm guessing my Enterprise rep probably just transferred all my like information over, so they had everything. It was good. Yeah, it looks pretty nice in there. Backup camera, fancy, nice leather seats. Woo! Alright, well, at least if I have to hang out in the car, I have some room. Plenty of room for the cargo. Holy crap, you put like 7 bodies in there. Guess if I hit any protesters or rioters, I can just put them back here. Alright, we're gonna load the car up and get on the road. Woo! What up, guys? Soccer Dad Sean coming to you live from the Soccer Mom minivan, I guess. I tell you what, it has a ton of room. Yeah. I wish I could tow with this thing because I'll just fold those back seats down and go to bed. Night night. Anyway, I got the go-ahead to go to Enterprise. They got another truck for me, so I don't have to wait for this one to be repaired. So I'm super thrilled about that. We are 2 hours and 9 minutes away. And I gotta text her, just let her know what time I'm gonna be there. And yeah, so that'll be really good. So I will be able to pick that truck up today, head back to Toledo, and pick up I gotta swap my fifth wheel over into that other truck, and then hook up my fifth wheel and go. And drop that one off tomorrow. That one's going to West Virginia? Yes. Yeah, West Virginia. And then we gotta go back and grab my Florida load and shoot it right down to Florida quickly because
Good thing is they take weekend delivery.
Yeah, thank God.
They don't take it for a long time.
Yeah, they take it early. Like they shut down early during the day, so.
I think like until 3 or something like that.
So we really gotta hustle. So we're gonna get there around 12:30ish. I'm gonna grab some mod pizza for lunch. And
yeah, we're on a time crunch, but we're still gonna stop for mod pizza.
Yeah, I need some mod pizza. I've had a long damn like 2 days. Okay, I need my break. So we're gonna go get this truck, and I'll see you guys in a little bit once we get there. Alright guys, so I just got an update from Enterprise. They're not sure if my truck is going to be ready today or tomorrow. So they're saying when I get here, I kind of have to hang out till 5 o'clock, unfortunately. it's only 12 right now. And if the truck isn't ready by today, then she said get a hotel, and she'll reimburse the one from last night and the one for tonight. So, and then I can pick it up tomorrow.
As long as we don't lose those loads.
Yeah, like my dispatcher just called me, you know, to follow up, and I said I'm supposed to get a truck today, and I was gonna pick it up today. But she said let her know. So I mean, if I tell her I'm gonna be picking it up tomorrow, I'm sure she'll let me keep them. But she just wants to be kept like in the loop, you know what I mean? They need to know where that trailer is. That trailer costs a lot of money. All right, guys, finally got here. Sam got some pizza. That looks really good. And then mine, I got like every topping known to man. I'm telling you, you gotta try this place if you guys are in Elkhart. It's so damn good. So I don't know. I'm gonna eat this very slowly and enjoy it, and then we gotta figure out. We gotta figure out how to kill time until 5. But I did tell Enterprise I was picking that truck up today, the trailer back up today, because Enterprise made it seem that way. So I don't know.
You told Horizon you were picking it up tonight.
Right? Is that what I said?
You said Enterprise.
I told Horizon. Yeah. So. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna enjoy my food. We got some, I don't know if you guys ever watched the show Homestead Rescue, but we like that show. So we're gonna go watch it. It's here on YouTube, and just hang out. Got Cody some water and some food.
We have some chicken nuggets and a burger.
Yeah, I just talked on
it. Was only supposed to be chicken nuggets, but somebody forgot that we were going to Mod right after. So someone ordered a burger.
I didn't eat it. I'm not that fat. I'll save it for later. It probably won't be any good though.
No, it
I'll
probably
just end up taking. Yeah, I got like a plain burger. All right, I'm gonna go eat. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit once I hear anything.
Guess where we are?
Woo! Can you guess? All right. So it looks like I'm getting delayed one more day. Cody, I'm sure Cody doesn't mind. Do you mind? Do you care that we're here? Do you care? Yeah. So I got a hotel. It's a lot cheaper here, but you know, since they're paying for the 2 nights, you know, it's whatever anyway. They'll probably just, I'm guessing they're probably just going to take it off my weekly, because I pay weekly for my truck rental, so they'll probably just pull it off of that, which is fine, doesn't make a difference. And, so I don't know, probably going to grab dinner soon. I've been sitting in this car for 5 hours, I don't know. And,
I've been in the car since 9 this morning.
Well, yeah, I've been in the car since 9 this morning, but we've been sitting here waiting. We got here around like 12:30, so we've been sitting in the car ever since. So it's nice to get out of the car. So she's saying to text her or call her first thing in the morning. So I guess we'll get an update.
And we have no idea what we're getting.
Yeah, she doesn't even know. I don't know. Hey, as long as it's big enough to tow whatever I need, it's all good. I mean, I hope it's not like a 1 ton. If it's a 1 ton, I might not even be able to pull what I'm pulling right now. I'd probably be overweight. Yeah, I know. Are you excited to be here? Are you? Are you excited to be here? Alright. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to throw this up for you guys so you know what's going on. But, you know, Enterprise really is working to, you know, try to make things right and get me back on the road, which I really do appreciate.
I mean, yesterday was a nightmare, but they're making today.
Sam, you are in the bathroom. Do not try to vlog from the bathroom, okay?
Why? They can't see me.
I know, that's weird.
Did anyone have known that I was in the bathroom?
She's
you
in the.
my hand right now?
She's in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this up for you guys so you kind of have an idea of, you know, what's going on. But we are at the Red Roof, just hanging out. So.
If you're in the area, I'll take Texas Roadhouse and Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yes, to both of them, and a cold beer. Thank you.
You and the beer.
Yeah, me and the beer.
I don't want that person thinks they're alcoholics.
I know. I put a beer in like maybe 1 or 2 of my videos, and this guy like flipped out, and he's like, you have to have a beer in your video. He's like, you're an alcoholic. You gotta stop, guys. I literally might have a beer. How often do I have a beer?
Once a month.
Really, even that often?
Probably not.
I don't even think it's that often. Maybe every like 2 or 3 months. Like I might have like 5 beers a year. A year, okay? I am not an alcoholic.
At home, you had 2. But
where?
Once at home, you had one week, and then when we came back from a few runs, you had another.
I gotta
finish it though.
I gotta slow it. Yeah, I don't even finish them. Half the time I have to dump them because they go warm and flat. It's a damn shame. So some man I am. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to throw this video for you guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you follow along with our crazy hectic lives here on the Nomadic channel, where we get brand new trucks and they break down. So, I'll see you guys in the next one, and Sam, say bye.